The holiday season is upon us, and I don't know about you, but it can be seriously hard to close out the business year with a bang when all we want to do is kick back, relax, and enjoy our friends and family. But believe me, I know the feeling, and it doesn't have to be a struggle at this time of year. In fact, I want to see you have strong revenue numbers for 12 months, not just 11 months. I want strong numbers for 12 months of the year for you. And so if you find yourself kind of in this space where you want to take a step back, but you want to leverage all of the buying and spending that happens at this time of year, settle in and listen up, because you're in for a real treat today. In this episode, I'm going to share with you a tried and tested way to boost sales all the way through to the end of the year. So don't heat up the hot chocolate and slide on your slippers just yet. First, I want you to set up this one strategy that will get you on holiday time in a hurry and boost your end of year revenue in a big way. Well, hi there. I'm Sarah Glanfield. I'm a business and marketing strategist just for boutique fitness studio owners like you. If you're ready to be inspired and make a bigger impact, you're in the right place. All you need are a few key strategies, the right mindset, and some support along the way. Join me as I share the real life insights that will help you grow a sustainable and profitable studio. This is the Pilates Business Podcast. Welcome back to the Pilates Business Podcast. I'm Saran, and I am thrilled that you're here today. I truly am so grateful that you join me each week to listen in on ways that you can be growing and building your studio business so that you can reach more clients with the amazing methods of movement that you're teaching. Now, today, I want to share with you a strategy that I've been talking about with my Thrive members for a while. So they are all ready to go and set up with this strategy inside of their business. And I didn't want to leave you guys out. I wanted to share this with you too, because I do find it to be a really effective way to get your business some visibility, some extra revenue, and potentially even some new clients towards the end of the year and into the new year. Okay. So today I'm talking all about gift cards. Now, bear with me. You may have used them in the past in your business, and maybe, just maybe, it didn't quite work out for you the way that you had hoped. But what I've seen is when you're able to use gift cards in the right way and sell gift cards in the right way, they can be a fantastic way to bring in more money before the end of the year. And I think that this year it's going to be an even more popular way for friends to give loved ones and family members the gift of wellness and well-being. And just especially given the environment we're in, the state of our bodies and minds as we continue to deal with a very disrupted environment, I think that friends and families will be more fired up than ever before to share the gift of wellness with their loved ones. So let's talk a little bit about how to do this in an efficient and effective way for your business. Okay. I don't want you hustling and putting in hours and hours of extra time. I want to make sure that this is an effective way for you to generate a little bit of extra revenue at the end of the year, or perhaps a lot of extra revenue. Okay. So I want to share with you some proven tips and strategies for rolling out your holiday gift cards so you can kick up your feet and watch a few extra dollars roll in. All right. Now, first things first, you have to promote your gift cards. And that means inside your studio and inside your sessions. Talk about them at the end of classes, in the studio, perhaps in your virtual sessions as well. You'll want to post something about them at your front desk, at the register, maybe in the bathroom. And also don't forget to encourage all of your teachers to talk about them with their clients also. You may even want to incentivize your team to promote them with perhaps a contest that offers a nice little prize to the team member who sells the most. Now, of course, you'll want to feature them on all of the usual places, on your website, on pop-ups, perhaps on your website, in email campaigns, and on social media. If you have a blog as well, there's lots of different ways that you can promote, very creative ways actually, that you can promote gift cards. So everywhere that you are online, make it known that you have gift cards and make it really, really easy for people to purchase them. So my next tip for you is that I don't want to see you wait until the middle of December to start sharing and promoting your gift cards. I want you to start now. Shopping has already begun for the holiday period. And if you thought that online shopping was crazy last year, I think this year is going to be even more frenzied than ever before. We know that stores have already begun putting holiday products on the shelves in early October. And I think people are ready to shop online sooner rather than later and show and get sort of organized, I should say, for the holiday season earlier and earlier every year, which means that we kind of need to be on our game as well. So don't wait, start now. Okay. Now, once you have the mechanics in place to support the actual sales, it's time to promote again. Every savvy marketer knows that you have to repeat your messaging, okay? And repeat again and again. So even if you've sent one email about your gift cards, find another creative way to share that again. Inside of my Thrive group, we've been talking about all of this for the last few months. And there is so many different fun and creative ways that you can talk about gift cards and use gift cards in your business. You really do have to keep letting people know about your gift cards throughout the whole season, not just once, not just for Thanksgiving, not just for Black Friday, not just for Cyber Monday, not just through the beginning of the holiday season, but throughout the whole of the holiday season. I guarantee there will be a flurry of activity following Thanksgiving and another big bump just before the holiday, before Christmas Day or itself. So you want to make sure that you keep your messages coming so that they are in front of people who are looking for gifts at the right time. Okay. Remember that gift cards are actually the perfect last minute gift. And I'm sure that some of your clients and community will appreciate you saving the day when they realize that they may have missed someone on their list. Okay. So don't just send your emails at the beginning of the season. Be sure to continue to send them throughout the season. Okay. Now, another great strategy that works really well is to sweeten the deal. So give some sort of a special offer on your gift card. So for example, you could give a $25 gift card for $20 to incentivize the purchase. Or perhaps if your client buys 5 gift cards valued at $25 or more, perhaps they get a free $25 gift card as a bonus. Okay. So there's lots of ways that you can use this tool, I should say, as a way to generate revenue in your business, but create excitement and buzz. And ultimately, you're giving people money to spend in your business, which means that, guess what? They may end up bringing you new business as well. You see where I'm going with this? This is why I love this strategy so much. Okay. So the next few tips are all about the gift cards themselves. Okay. So it might be tempting to offer gift cards in like any amount that your client wants. Okay. So they want to come in and they want to buy a gift card for $50 or $100, right? And we have to be thoughtful about this because it may not be the most efficient way for people to spend money in your business or for people to utilize that amount in your business. So you want to be thoughtful about what amount you're selling your gift card for. Okay. So just so you know, the average spend on a gift card is $47. So that $50 gift card would probably be a pretty good option for what your business. And you could also make it not just about a dollar amount, but it could also be perhaps an amount that would apply to an intro offer or something similar. Okay. Now, the key to making it an experience for your clients that they're going to want to repeat year after year is to make the whole thing look good and very appealing. So have your gift cards ready to go in a card holder, wrapped, add ribbons and a small bag. All of these small things make it really a lot more appealing for your clients to pick them up and to take them. If they don't have to do any of those extra things to make them look like a gift, if you can take care of that too, that will help a ton. So then you want to pop your gift cards at your front desk or your check-in area. We know that gift cards are often an impulse purchase. So an attractive display with gift cards and gift card bags can really help to boost sales. Okay. Next up, if you want to see some really good results from your efforts, you have to make it as easy and convenient as possible for your clients to buy them, either online or in person. Now, we know that the 2020 holiday shopping season was completely centered around e-commerce for the first time ever, and this year promises to go the same way. So let's make sure your gift cards are available for purchase online, since we know that's where a lot of people are shopping, okay? So make sure that when you are promoting your gift cards, in your email campaigns, on social media, and on your website, that you are enabling people to purchase them there as well. Okay. Now that goes without saying, but we want to make sure that your in-studio process is as convenient and as easy as possible also. Okay. So what we know is that the online space, as well as the in-person space, needs to be optimized for convenience for your clients. Okay. Now, my last tip for you when it comes to selling gift cards is to tell your clients who these gift cards are great to give to, right? So who should be receiving these gift cards as a gift? All right. Now, this might sound kind of a little like, what's the word? Sometimes we're not really sure who we should be giving gift cards to, right? And not really sure where they fit in our gift giving. And even if you can help to encourage and guide your clients on who this would be perfect for, then that will help them to solve some problems, right? So tell your clients exactly who you think they should be buying their gifts cards for, right? Mark it as the perfect gift for your friend, your babysitter, teacher, husband, wife. If you plant the seed, then your clients will be reminded of who they have yet to purchase a gift for. Okay. Now, on top of that, if you are offering a fabulous deal around your gift cards, you may also want to encourage your clients to perhaps give the gift to themselves, right? And you might want to just not forget that your clients, I think I know I'm guilty of this as well. We go shopping for other people for gifts and we see things that we want. And your gift cards may not be an exception, right? So who doesn't also like to shop for themselves around the holidays? So encourage your clients to perhaps reward themselves with a little gift card as well. All right. Why not? Okay. Well, one last thing to keep in mind is that, remember, this is not just about generating revenue. So if someone is giving a gift card to a friend or a loved one, that is a new person who is walking into your business, most likely. And which means that they are what we call a warm audience or a warm lead, because they have heard about you. They are coming in as someone who is interested in taking a session or a class inside of your business. And so you might have the opportunity to convert that person into a longer term client, which is extremely beneficial for your business, right? So it's not just about generating revenue, right? It's also an opportunity to get introduced to new clients in the new year. So for me, this is a huge win-win strategy for your boutique fitness studio business, and one that I really recommend you go ahead and implement as soon as possible. And again, over the course of the next 6 weeks, you want to make sure you are regularly reminding your clients and your community about this as an option, as a gift from your clients and your community. Okay. So I would love to hear how it goes. You can find me over on Instagram at Saran_spring_3 and let me know how it goes with setting up a gift card strategy inside of your business. All right. I would love to hear. So I hope this was helpful to you as you grow your studio business and head into the end of the year. If you enjoyed this episode, then please be sure to make sure you're following or subscribing wherever you listen to the podcast. And if you're feeling like this was something you don't ever want to miss again, then why not head on over and leave a review and let me know what you're interested in hearing more about. All right. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Did you love this episode and want more? Head to spring3.com and check out my free resources that will help you run a profitable and fulfilling studio business. And before you go, one last reminder, there is no one way to do what you do, only your way. So whatever it is that you want to do, create, or offer, you've got this. Thanks again for joining me today and have a wonderful rest of your day.